ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. ഞാൻ മെറ്റിൻ മേരി ജോസ്. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ കാണിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മളുടെ 4th ഡേ ഞങ്ങൾ ട്യൂലിപ്പ് ഗാർഡനിൽ നിന്ന് ചീസ് ഫാക്ടറിയിലേക്ക് പോവുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ചീസ് ഫാക്ടറിയിലെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചീസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്, അവിടുത്തെ വിശേഷങ്ങളൊക്കെയാണ് ഞങ്ങളിന്ന് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. ആംസ്റ്റർഡാമിൽ ചീസ് ഫാക്ടറി. ഇത് ഞങ്ങൾ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകുന്ന വഴിയിലെ കാഴ്ചകളാണ്. ജസ്റ്റ് നിങ്ങളെ ഒന്ന് കാണിച്ചതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോവാം.
Welcome. My name's Martin, and I'll tell you a little bit about the cheeses, how they made them traditionally in the Netherlands. Yeah. So they all begin with some milk that comes from the cows, obviously, and the cows give about 30 litres of milk in the day, half in the morning, half in the evening. When the milk comes in, it goes into the big barrel in the corner. The big barrel has like 2 walls, and there's like water in between, which they heat about 30 degrees. And they add the rennet to split, so you end up with the whey and the curds. But after you put the milk in that, the blades, 3 big blades go turning around for about 30 minutes before you get this, yeah? And then they take it out and put the cheese into the little molds, and then put them onto the press for about 4 hours, and then once they take that out, they put it into like a salt. Yeah?
Have you already started?
Yeah.
It's from India. Namaste. Namaste. So more India people.
Okay.
You want to? Yes. आप यहाँ सीट ले सकते हैं.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
चीज फैक्ट्री में आपका स्वागत है.
He's a marksman.
Yes. In
No.
English. Yes.
In English, yeah. Thank you, Leo. Okay, so they take the cheese out and they put it into like a salt bath, which is like 80% water, 20% salt, and it stays there for roughly about 6 hours for the small cheeses, about a day for the large cheeses, and 2 to 3 days now for the big cheeses like you see there, yeah, on the shelf. They take it out and put it on the shelf, keep turning it till it dries a little. When it dries enough, they cover it with like fluidy plastic to give it the protection. So it protects it, the bacteria cannot get in, and the moisture can get out. Except for Adam, which is different. It has like a coat of paraffin, so the bacteria cannot get in, but the moisture stays within. So it ripens from within, which is different from this. So this has like about 40% fat, and this is about 48% fat. So after the cheese is dried, so in about 4 to 6 weeks you have young cheese, and in 4 to 6 months medium cheese, and then when you get to about a year you have what they call old cheese. So this is. So the Dutch are very famous because they don't like to give anything for free. They make everybody pay for everything. But I'm not Dutch. I'm Irish. But I live here 15 years. So I'm almost Dutch. Okay. Share it with everybody. Gracious me, what does the world come to? Enjoy it. When you get down to the end of the shop, there's loads of cheeses you can try and things. So there's everything from like chili cheese, truffle cheese, pesto, garlic, marijuana cheese. It's totally harmless. It's only the seeds that give it flavor, yeah? And there's goat's cheese. There's smoked cheese, smoked goat's cheese. There's pork cheese, whiskey cheese, beer cheese. And I could continue, but it's best let you try when you get down to the end, and you can try them all for yourselves, yeah? And have a nice glass of wine or whatever. So that's a little bit about the cheeses. The cheeses are all packed. Once they're packed, you can keep them for about 9 months to a year.
Do you have to keep it in the fridge?
No, you don't. It's sort of like room temperature, like about 18, 19 degrees more or less. When you cut it and open it, put it in the fridge, and it will keep for 4 to 6 weeks, but I know in our house, when I open cheese, it never keeps more. If it keeps 4 to 6 days, I'm doing good. You know? But yes, that's a little bit about it. So, hope you've enjoyed a little bit about the cheese. And we shall continue, and I'll show you a little bit how they made the clogs in the Netherlands. Yeah? Tell you about those. Yeah? So, follow me. You're very welcome.
गर्मी लेके गए लेके गया हमारा बोलिए बहुत बड़ा ब्लॉक होता है एक बार
Find yourself somewhere to sit. You sit the seats here, seats here, seats there. There's some screens so you'll be able to see everything, no matter where you sit. So just make yourselves comfortable. Lots of money, like a lot of people that are quite poor, but they had loads of wood. And this tree is made from a wood called popular wood. And they take a block of popular wood, and it would be wet, and they would cut it and shape it. So they get it, something like I made this morning. Oh, that's nice. They have the shape of that, so you have the shape of the club, but they wouldn't have the hole. So to make the hole inside, they take this gouge and they take out inside. It's like going to the dentist almost, isn't it? But they take it out, and in one day, a craftsman can make like 2 pairs of clogs, yeah? So not so many. When they came these machines they can make 200 pair in a day. Yeah? And it's a bit like when you go to get a spare key cut in a shop, you have like a mold with being the key here, and you put this in, and you have one block of wood here, one block of wood here, which is effectively your left and your right. So to make a little bit of noise, but it's totally harmless. So now, we got the outside of the shoe. Yeah? Pretty nice, yeah? But we're still missing the hole, yeah? So the hole we make with this machine, again, it's like a copy in the middle. And I put in one piece here, one piece here. Now make a bit more noise. Then have the one with the shear with the hole in it, yeah? So whilst it was still wet, they just trim it off in the corner, round it a little bit, and then they'd leave it about 3 to 4 weeks to dry out of the sun, so it wouldn't twist or warp. And after that, they could then continue sanding it, shaping it, filing it off, and decorating it, painting it, varnishing, and then end up with a lovely pair of shoes for Sunday for church.
Not very.
Yeah.
Not very.
No, it's not bad, no. And so they wear that. Quite often the men in the brown, quite often the ladies in the blue. And of course, what they do is after you go get married or anything. So when they were going to get married, the boyfriend would start with a plain cloth, make all the nice design, yeah. So they have a lovely design, spend a whole month doing it, leave it at the door. Hopefully the girl takes it in, and then she'll wear them on her wedding day, yeah. So 30 days hard labour making it, yeah. 30 years washing dishes. And then they have one of the most typical ones, like what they talk about, the farmer's club. So they're normally in yellow, soft points, so they don't hurt any of the animals if they happen to kick them or anything. And it's got 3 little X's on the shoe. This is like the logo of Amsterdam. And the first X is when everything was underwater. The second one was when all the houses went up on fire. And the third one was when the plague was in Europe. Yeah? And then you have like orthopedic ones. These are used every day by the nurses in the hospitals. Not with flowers on them, obviously, like white. But they use them they're very good for their back, and they're standing a lot of long hours and walking around. So these are very, very popular. And this one. Everybody says the football boot, but it's not real. But we could use it when we play next football in the World Cup, yeah? Maybe we might win, yeah? No, it's for the fishermen so they don't slide on the ice. Yeah? Sports. So the ice won't slide on them. This one. Everyone always gets it wrong. I always ask what it is, and everybody says ice skating. I presume you all have television and you've seen TV and you've seen adverts. Do you ever hear of the name Gillette? Yeah. Obviously you haven't. So that's a good one. So this is a little bit of clothes in the shop. Anything that's like natural, it can be engraved with your name, with the design or whatever. At no extra cost. There's like magnets, there's loads of cheese, there's loads of wine. And it's come with a group that's for you. So you can have your name put on or something written on it, whatever you like. So thank you very much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the tour around the shop, the cheeses, the wine. Just really enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, did you do the talk here?
Just
Have you done it? Here. Okay, everybody, India, please come closer. Okay, here we have the shoes. Yes, you can have a souvenir. Yeah, we can engrave this. You have more souvenirs here, like key rings, like magnets. Yeah, look, I show you. Sorry, these are 5 magnets, €8, and here we have key ring, €8. Okay, if you want, you can try the shoe. Around the corner, you go to the cheese. Many cheese, okay, with the thing, yeah, cheese. We have, yes, but a wine as well, wine. Not for you. Yes, for you we have cookie. Yes. Okay, 3 glass wine, you speak a Holland language. Yes? Okay, thank you. Okay, where is, did somebody get a wooden shoe?
Yeah.
Who get the wooden shoe?
Right here.
Did you get, we have engraved for you? Yes? Okay. Martin is naar voren. Die ging die kant op. Is dat de bedoeling?